it's a shame we're right in the cloud here. We can vaguely see some of the hairpins below us. Not sure how well they come out in the camera. Can't always have the weather. But it's still amazing. So we've just been at the Trollstigen Visitor Centre and we're about to actually descend the Trollstigen itself. Let's see. We're going to be able to see it. I think as we drop the first 100 metres we'll drop out of the cloud, so it should be we should be able to get some views. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. It's fresh. We're in the national park and we're on the Muskox trail. Hopefully we'll be able to see some muskox. We've just passed a sole walker who said she had seen them, but they were a long distance away, so keeping our fingers crossed. We got the binoculars, but either way it's absolutely beautiful up here. Don't fall in!
Just planning my route.
Just up on that hill there, just up on the Nikki. There are 2 or 3 muskox, we believe. Unfortunately, they will not appear on this camera. Too much of a wide angle. Even through the binoculars, they're only small specks. We'll see if we can get a bit closer. So good morning. Actually it's almost lunchtime, but what a beautiful day. And where are we on this beautiful day?
We're in Dovrefell National Park on the Muskox trail, and we've been looking all morning for the last couple of hours for muskox in the distance, and we did manage to see some, but we wouldn't have seen them without the binoculars. But they are huge. Even in the binoculars, through the binoculars you can tell that they're really big. Yeah. But they move quite quickly, and there was somebody that had gone off the path and they'd obviously frightened them because they move very quickly out of sight. Yeah. And then we saw a couple of others in the distance over another ridge, but you know, you have to sit and scan the mountain to be able to find them.
Yeah, no, it's a shame being a national park that you can't fly the drone. It might have helped us find them, or you can get up close to get some footage, but
because they do look like rocks unless they move.
But what a beautiful day.
Yeah,
almost not a cloud in the sky, and we are blessed today.
Beautiful up here.
We're on Grimsdalen, a little toll gravel road. Going for a little spin this afternoon after the hike this morning to see the muskox. It's such a beautiful day. Would have been shame to not take advantage. I mean, look at this, shorts and t-shirt. I think we're back to the rain tomorrow, so definitely had to get out.
just beautiful. So lovely. I feel like you're right out in the wilds of nowhere. So we're cycling in Grimsdalen, which is a landscape protection area, and it borders onto the Rondane National Park, which was Norway's first national park, and it was established in August in 1962.